Hi everyone and welcome back to today's morning report with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantech Markets for Tuesday the 1st of July. I'm going to look at Euro Dollar now and some big moves on Euro Dollar that's taken it above that big resistance, that key resistance that we've been talking about, $1.3670. That was broken yesterday. Significantly broken as well. It wasn't just breached and then fell back into it. It was breached and closed above. So a very big breakout, and we're trading throughout the Asian session above that resistance as well. $1.3670. That resistance now will turn into support. Today we've got all the key PMI data that's out throughout the morning. You've already had some coming out for the Eurozone. Germany missed expectations very slightly on its PMI. France just beat, and Italy missed just slightly, and Spain also came in strongly as well. So some mixed PMIs there for the Eurozone. So no major reaction that we've seen as yet on the Euro. But we wait for the US this afternoon. But in terms of the technicals, you'd certainly say this move we've seen is a big move for the bulls. They've broken out through that key ceiling yesterday. That this is the intraday hourly chart. You'll see that they burst through that resistance, and it's come back and formed support initially above that resistance level as well. Old resistance turns into new support, so that is interesting and key, I think, for this the outlook of this chart. You'd certainly say that the bulls are beginning to win the battle on this euro once again. These momentum indicators continue to improve now, so you'd have to say that having just looked like it was just unwinding back towards that resistance and possibly being a chance to sell, that outlook is now under pressure, and you're probably going to have to seriously think about possibly even backing this rally as well. But one interesting thing I think that the longer term traders will be looking at is this 144-day moving average, which over the year or just under a year since we bottomed, it's been used on numerous occasions as the key basis of the turning points. That was certainly the key support, and whether it now becomes the key resistance again will be very interesting to see. That currently comes in at 37.10, that 144-day moving average, so it could become a basis of resistance. But at the moment, with that break above $1.3670, the outlook is certainly now improving for the euro, and it'll be interesting to see if we can start to now build support above that level, because that is the key resistance turn support. You've also got this back on the intraday hourly chart between 36.40 and 36.50. There are key breakout supports as well, so I would be looking at now if it comes back and form support between $1.3640 and $1.3670. I think that would be a strong signal for the bulls in medium term, and would therefore suggest that perhaps we're going to be coming back up towards this $1.38 mark. It's really 37.80 was the floor from quite a bit of of old support through April and May. So just keep that in the back of your minds as a potential rebound target. But it is interesting what we've seen in the last day or so, and it will be even more interesting if it's now begins to form support above that 36.40 mark, between 36.40 and 36.70. So that is what I'll be looking for. If it finds support there, I think you're going to have to start looking at long positions on the euro as the outlook continues to improve. You've got the ISM number this afternoon that could certainly have an impact on this chart. That's forecast to come in at 55.8 at 3 o'clock this afternoon UK time, so bear that in mind. But certainly at the moment the outlook is increasingly euro positive against the dollar. Okay, thank you very much. I wish you good luck in your trading, and I'll speak to you later.